Court declared that race-based college admissions is unconstitutional.
And tonight we share how universities and community are considering the impact of that ruling.
CU Medical School assistant professor Dr. Kamal Henderson says his mom's generation was the first to be provided opportunities like the ones he's had. Henderson, a cardiologist, was shocked to see affirmative action overturned.
There's 13 generations of being here in this country, and up and down with laws and et cetera. But we only had 2 generations to try to figure out how best to restructure our systems and societies to bring about equity and opportunities and et cetera. And now it's cut short in some capacity. So
less than 2% of applicants to CU Medical School are admitted each year. And with race no longer a factor, admissions officers will have to weigh how to continue to build a diverse pipeline of doctors to address persistent disparities in health outcomes.
Historically, medicine has been a profession that tilts towards the more economically advantaged people in society and Caucasians.
Others wonder what the impact will be beyond classrooms to the workforce. Richard Lewis owns a technology company.
My real concern is how will organizations behave if not legislated to perform in a fair manner. I've seen lots of businesses say that they can't find people of color for various jobs when I've been able to find them.
Others cheering the end of affirmative action say a new chapter will begin that honors people for what they're able to do as individuals.
It allows an individual student to apply for a university without being judged based on their race. We can see examples of where Asians were discriminated against and not allowed entry into the university because they were Asian, and that's unconstitutional and it's un-American.
Data shows that states with affirmative action bans already in place do produce less diverse classes and highly selective programs. That has the CU Medical School asking what the impact may be on public health.
Whether we'll have as many applicants from diverse backgrounds 10 years from now as we do now, that is a real concern.
You appreciate that there is this chilling effect of people actually just not applying to programs, and I hope that that is not the case.
Now, the Supreme Court ruled exempted military academies like the Air Force Academy in Colorado Springs. Chief Justice John Roberts cited the, quote, potentially distinct interests that military academies may present.